Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to my channel. Get ready to watch a fun video about really cool farming machines and the interesting world of harvesting. We're going on an exciting adventure to learn all about the amazing new inventions that help farmers grow and collect lots of yummy food. We will learn about how machines have helped farmers do their work faster and better. Where we explore the intricate world of railway installation and maintenance. It's a critical job that requires utmost precision, as even the smallest details can pose risks to passengers. Proper installation and maintenance are essential for a safe and efficient railway system. In this video, we will delve into how railway engineers utilize state-of-the-art tools like PMLEM to enhance the system's effectiveness. By employing advanced equipment and technologies, they can minimize breakdowns and improve the overall stability of the railway system. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of railway engineering. The Freeman self-propelled baler is incredibly productive and maneuverable, making it a versatile tool for farmers and farms. It can harvest and compress various crops such as hay, straw, alfalfa, and more. The cab of the Freeman baler provides ample space for operators to work comfortably, especially during long hours of heavy work in the field. The Freeman 280 self-propelled baler is a machine designed for the most demanding baling tasks worldwide. With its durable and robust frame, it can meet even the highest expectations and requirements of farming, agriculture, and industrial processing jobs. Included in its inventory are both the smaller, lighter 2-tire side feed balers and the larger, heavier 3-tire side feed balers. The Freeman self-propelled baler and bale wagons are also part of the collection. Prepare yourself to witness the next phase in this captivating video. The carpenters will now secure the wood in place, while the saw readies itself for its task. Once the setup is complete, the saw operates autonomously, while the carpenters guide the wood through its sharp blade. With each pass, the saw precisely cuts out a perfectly shaped plank. It is a mesmerizing sight to observe as the wood undergoes its transformation into individual pieces. Join us as we witness the carpenter's precision and skill, working in perfect harmony with the saw to create these exquisitely cut planks. The New Holland FR Forage Cruiser SP forage harvesters are designed for maximum capacity and efficiency, ensuring impressive performance and top-notch harvest quality. With the formidable Mazda engine in the cornfield, this powerful machine will tirelessly assist you. Tractors equipped with robust engines and hydraulic systems are commonly utilized in numerous industries, such as agriculture, construction, and utilities for trench excavation. Depending on the attached equipment, tractors can effortlessly dig trenches of varying depths and widths. This enables operators to concentrate on various tasks within their operation, while efficiently removing their harvest from the field. If you seek cutting-edge modern machinery, Stick with us and remember to subscribe to our channel for updates on these extraordinary machines. The machine offers two models of water extractors, the We5 and We4, which efficiently remove liquid from various fibrous products such as corn silage, carriage buildings, onion waste, biomass, and paper pulp. Hydraulic pressure is employed in this process. Feast your eyes on the awe-inspiring D9T. Prepare to be astounded by the might of technology showcased in this mesmerizing video. Another remarkable creation from Vermeer is the Vermeer Autonomous Bale Mover, designed to focus on the crucial aspect of hay production. Manufacturers understand the importance of timing and moisture levels when it comes to cutting, drying, and baling hay. They also recognize the significance of timely hauling and storage to ensure a successful next crop. With this in mind, they have devised the autonomous bale mover, or bale hog, to alleviate the need for manual labor by transporting bales from the field to the edge or storage area. True to its name, this contraption can independently traverse fields using sensors affixed to identify bales, retrieve them, and transport them to a predetermined spot chosen by the owner. At present, the machine is set to gather and transport a maximum of 3 bales simultaneously. Allow me to present the extraordinary behemoth contraption, christened as 70. Behold the spectacle as the contraption unfurls a shield-like coating, altering the environment upon the arrival of the forklift. The immense size of this contraption is absolutely mind-boggling, displaying the extraordinary progress of technology. Hold your breath as the shielding layer unravels, building a barricade to protect the workspace. The meticulousness and effectiveness of this procedure will astonish you. Do not let this captivating showcase of technological brilliance slip away. Come join us as we delve into the marvels of the tube-line TL70 and witness the boundless possibilities that modern technology bestows upon us. Prepare to be enthralled by the gripping suspense of this extraordinary contraption in action. The EcoVolve electric dumper is an innovative electric vehicle crafted for a multitude of uses, ranging from construction to landscaping and agriculture. One of the prime advantages of the EcoVolve electric dumper lies in its environmentally friendly design. This machine operates solely on electricity, eradicating the necessity for fossil fuels and minimizing carbon emissions. So don't forget to leave a comment. And of course, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day, take care and goodbye now till the next video.